Yeah, what's up internet? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to explain about those tents over there. Yeah. Let me see if you can see them. Now, though the both tents are this one is a 4-man tent and this one is a 2-man tent. Going to explain the similarities similarities about the two tents and the opposite similarity and the oppositicality. Now on the similarities, similar, both tents are automatic. They have automatic poles, and this one has an automatic pole. Another similarity is that both materials are the same. What else? They both have entrance. Of course, lazima utumie entrance kuingia, so iko na entrance yake, pia iko na entrance yake. They also come with a net. Iko na net on the entrance and pia iko na net. Another similarity is that they both have windows, but moja iko na window kubwa. The 4-man tent has a bigger window, and the 2-man tent also has a window, but a smaller one. Now those are the similarities. Now on the oppositicalities, it's only one. This one has one entrance. One entrance, while the 4th-man tent has 2 entrances. Unaweza ingililia hapa na utokee pale. Yeah. Kitu kingine ambayo ifanana ni the 4-man tent comes with a canopy. Hii ndio inaitwa canopy. Let me unplug the canopy. Yeah, this is the canopy. And why the canopy? Because it has an opening upper juu. The 2-man tent haina canopy because haina opening. Yeah, that was all about the difference between the 4-man tent and the 2-man tent. Mtu anamalizangaje video? Mtu anamalizaje video jamani? Cheki. Fanya venye unaona inakubamba. Twende nalo.